Alright, this speaker was in my truck, and it sounded like crap, but it was moving. Sitting on the bench overnight. It's 50 degrees and 42% humidity, so it's not even wet. I mean, got over the years of being in the truck, but it was moving all this time. It left it out on the bench. I forced it up on video, but it is locked. But since the speaker's destroyed anyway, I'm going to cut it apart. Let's get this GoPro situated here. Let's play. Let's adjust. And let's play. Why not? Thing is hosed anyway, so. It sounded great when this thing was working. I actually use Klipsch speakers in my truck from the house. They fit the doors perfect, and they had I have an amplifier in there, so I needed that extra power. A speaker that could handle power. Why not? Had it in the truck for let's see, I got 2013. Yeah, it's like almost 10 years. Well, 9.5 years. It lasted 9.5 years. So it's not like it was just put in there last week. 9.5 years. It's 150 watts going to this thing for the Alpine PDX. By the way, those amplifiers are indestructible. I got two of them. 1,000 watt one's mono and a 600 watt 4 channel. I had those since 2007 and they're still running perfect. Let's see what happened to this thing. I don't know what the magnet shifted. You kidding me? That's all that happened? You gotta be kidding. All it was is a magnet shifting? Look. How the hell that happen? How the hell's a magnet? I'd never seen that happen before, that thing shift. That's wild. I mean, I don't know if that's a common thing. I've never had it happen to me that I'm aware of. But how? Everything is still not like it was dropped. Truck was never in an accident. How the hell does that happen? Look at this. Right here. Tight that is. Look how loose this is. How did this happen? That was the problem with the speaker? You kidding me? Let's get this out of here since it's destroyed anyway now. What a shame, because look at the enamel, everything's still good. Is it focusing? Of course not. I'm on the GoPro, so why would it focus? The enamel's fine. See, like I said, you know, I never blasted the shit out of this. But how the hell's that happen? Is that center magnet broken? That is weird. Because the rivets, everything's fine. This is gonna be this is wild. Oh my god, yeah, the whole thing shifted. I just got it to move. Okay, so we got a problem with the other magnet. The back one. Oh, no way. Look at that. That's all that happened. That is not supposed to happen, folks. I don't know if I'm going to have the strength to pry that off. But, is that nuts or what? I'm spinning it. Let's see if we get that off. This is crazy. That's... I don't want to get magnet fragments all over the place and go blind here. Oh shit. There you go. Looks like the glue broke. I could have probably fixed this, but probably not. Nah, all the rivets and that is wild. That's a weird design. This is Klipsch, by the way. How the hell's that happen? Come on. You serious right now? Yeah, it's got good suction on it. It's suction cup. It'd be like the guy in Superman. He's climbing up the building. Yeah, that's a wacky reference I just threw at you. It's a new window ornament. That's great. Oh, doesn't hold long. Maybe it's a new hood ornament. Headlight ornament. There we go. I got bug eyes. Not look like Roger Rabbit. Not Roger Rabbit himself, but what's his face? Christopher Lloyd. The bug eyes. There's another crazy reference. What the hell's wrong with me? Alright, that was pretty wild. So, if anyone ever watches this video on YouTube, I'd love to see comments on this one. This is crazy. I didn't know these magnets, these speakers are put together like this. It's kind of stupid if you want my opinion. Because if you're pumping massive music and bass, how the hell they're relying on glue? I don't know. I'm no dentist, but this looks like a stupid engineering for a speaker. That's that. Good job, Klipsch. Or not. That is wild. There you have it.